So yeah, if you get a chance to see it, I think the clouds will cooperate. I think we'll be in good shape around that time. We'll likely have some clouds floating around, but we won't be seeing this just yet. This is tomorrow afternoon and into the evening. But let's get to it here. Again, damaging winds are the greatest risk with this system. There's at least some potential for isolated large hail, but that flash flooding threat, as we talked about, and the tornado threat are low with this. We've been watching the moisture that we'll have to work with as we work our way through the afternoon. And you look west of 35 especially, and we're talking dew points in the mid to upper 40s. It's not a lot of moisture for those storms to tap into. East of 35, it's a little better in the low to mid 50s. But when you really start to talk about the potential for tornadic systems, you'd like to see those numbers upwards closer to 55, even 60. And when you don't get that, you get really high-based storms, and it's hard to take that rotation all the way down to the ground when you're in that type of situation. So let's track this out for you hour by hour. Thursday, it's been pretty nice. Tomorrow morning, I think is going to be beautiful as well. We wake up temperatures in the 50s, should see a decent amount of sunshine, but here comes the storms, maybe a weak one out ahead of the main line. Here's that main line from Omaha down towards around Lamoni. That's at 4 p.m. Watch how quickly this makes its way to the metro. Yeah, 5 p.m., it's on our doorstep. This is going to be moving around 60 miles per hour. Don't think you're going to step outside or drive around and try to see this, because it is going to blow past you as it pushes its way on through. 7 p.m. arcing from Sioux City all the way downward towards Ottumwa. And you can see that northern edge kind of dies out a little bit as it pushes up into Minnesota. Not as good of air up there, but areas to the east and to the south are going to strengthen as they race their way east along I-80 towards Davenport. But by midnight, this is all out of our hair, and you can see we still have some lingering showers and then a band of rain that'll transition over to snow upwards into Nebraska and South Dakota, where they could actually see a decent amount of snow, and with the winds there, potential for whiteout conditions in spots, making it really difficult to travel. There is some potential we pick up a light dusting of snow through some of those northwestern portions of the state, but that'll be about it for our chances with snow with this system. And wind, though, is going to be the main culprit, as we've talked about. Just general atmospheric winds should be around 40, 45 miles per hour for gusts. And when you get taken up in this line of storms, we'll likely see some pockets of 60, even 70 mile per hour winds embedded within that line. And then Saturday, we're on the backside of this system, and it is just going to be very windy out there as well. As far as rainfall, not looking at a huge rainmaker. You get fast-moving systems like this, and they just don't spend that much time over the same location, so it's hard to get a lot of rainfall out of that. Quarter inch to a half an inch probably be, I'd say, best case scenario if you're looking for a little bit of rain out of this, but don't expect a lot and don't expect much snowfall. Areas to the northwest, again, will have a chance at a little bit of a light dusting, but that's really all I can promise you. But we still have wind advisories in place. The eastern portions of the state, gusts upwards to 45 miles per hour, and we'll have fire weather risk out there tomorrow as well. You can see that backs down as we head into the day on Saturday. But 8-day forecast, we're cooling down on Saturday, down to 47. We lose 31 degrees. Think of the power of that system. After that, we're bouncing back into the 70s by Monday for St. Patrick's Day. Another system that could even bring some rain and even some snow Tuesday into Wednesday.